have one chat. Kaya ka chat, so you can say, can you have skin please? But yan tayo don't have skins. I only got in the handgun. But I was not a noob. I didn't know what to pick.
Oh no, what is at 11? No, also, are they 11?
Kaya lang ba spray na yung favorite ko? Huh? Spray na yung favorite ko. Okay. Guys, hindi pa nga nag-smooth my first time. And tayo this is smooth.
Sing sing dang ding dang yo, dingle dingle, dingang. Aray, aray. Kawawa po siya ulakin. Kuya po nila. Magasin ko rin.
Oh, lock in Gabriel. Ay, Gabriel. Lock in Marcos. Uy, ano good. What is sniper shot?
Yes.
Guys, I get sniper and I get golden sniper. I just don't want to get.
Oh my God, Lakin! Shot! Shot! Shot!
Oh,
Lakin! Lakin!
Ayan, oh, no, I'm dead.
Yo! No, that's cute!
What the? You know what? The headshot.
Oh, you Marcos! You Marcos!
I am the red skin and I get the blue skin. You're the best hero.
Wire up!
Yun shotgun.
105.
Marami ko naman sa shotgun.
Oo. Napunta ako bahay extra.
Diego!
Ang head niya.
Hi,
50
Kat.
health ah.
Wait, is this cell? Please chat. Spam W's in the chat. Even though there's no chat, just spam W's. No. Is it a cell tayo?
Yes. One minute.
Oh! It's only 100. Is it one time?
Wait lang, isip ko, 100.
Minute ko lang in chat. Minute ko lang in. Akin tayo. Tayo lang in. Tayo akin tayo chat.
What happened?
Have you ever seen somebody use flare gun in a 2v2? Like nobody. And I just remember. I'm too pro. Too pro. Spam W's in the comments. The entire are not in iPad.
How
For
are
recording,
you?
we need iPad, but
No, PC.
But you can, guys, you can video and phone. You know how did you find this? Tayo, how did you found this? How did you find this app? Are you hacking? No. Okay, I say no. Sana. Guys, if you don't know, I am in Filipino style, so I'm not learning English. I'm learning English from speaking with Tayo and Gab. Yes, Tayo and Gab speak English. And Ezra.
Yeah. I teaching English now, bro.
And I watch YouTube. Only the blue. Contract completed! God, wait. Wait, I wanna see this. I just want to look.
No, lose my wingsuit.
Oh, yeah!
Kasi one.
Oh my god, this looks so cool! I'm gonna put it to the, oh my goodness, this looks so awesome! I'm gonna keep, let's go, tayo, let's go.
Wait.
Contribute. Maganda naman ah. Guys, I'm watching Fulton. If you don't hear that, let me just turn off the TV because you guys are hearing that and you can. I'm still a kid. We and I are kids. There's like 10, 9. Ilan taon ka na? 10. 10? There's 10? I'm 8 guys. Yeah. Me and Tayo are unks.
You
Gab-gab and Tayo. Gab-gab and Ezra is the bunks.
Ano siya ulit? Chat?
Kasi ito na.
Na timer?
Tagal nila mag-pick. Let's pick a weapon. Pick music. Bro, just leave. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, if you don't know what ang taon ka na, that's how old I am. I speak, me and Tayo are Filipino.
Philippines! You must know.
We just speak English because there's nobody can speak the Ezra's not here because it's just
Here ako guys, chat.
oh, speak tayo with the fear. So, me and Tayo are good at the game. I can use that one. Kasi I'm gonna use close one. Okay, okay. I only play with Robin. Long range.
What? Wag ko lang read ako.
I never play, I never use shotgun in my life. Like, no. I never do that all.
Guys, Marcos, pwede ko lang read ako.
I'm dead. I'm almost dead. Wait, the frame was aggressive.
Ano yan? 50. 50 na. Ano mo ko?
Fight! Oh! I'm gonna...
Bakit ko lang read ako?
Well, ano ko na yun? It's red for my skin. But in your screen, it's not red.
Galing RPG? Yan.
Hindi ko alam may you die. It's low health. I can just run it. Oh my god, he was hacking for one time. He was hacking. Right? The RPG is so OP. The RPG is so OP.
Yes. Ito also OP. Bakit your RPG?
I mean RPG. Oh my! Bro, it's like getting the emotes. Nice. Guys, do you know me? playing crossbow all the time.